Everyone, this is Pam Fender with Fender Homes. I'm here with my friend Justin Ortiz, who is a videographer, and he also has an amazing foundation that we're going to touch on too. But we both wanted to let you know about the Pineville Chamber Expo on 3/24. And Justin here is going to be doing all the pictures and stuff. And I just wanted to kind of get your opinion on what was the value for you being a part of that event?
Yeah, I just think that, when I went there last year, I was able to make a lot of connections, and as a business owner, it's all about networking. It's all about making new connections.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and especially, I'm not from Charlotte. I moved here about 3 years ago. And so meeting new people is vital. And so there were so many people that came up to my table that I got to talk to, that I got an opportunity to get their cards. And I was able to connect with after the event. And so I look forward to things like that. I'm looking forward to this year, seeing what new people we have and who I can connect with. But it was just definitely valuable to
Yeah.
me and the amount of time that I put into it.
Well,
Yeah.
I it was their first one, and we had Jeep Ram there with their vehicles, which is kind of cool. We had food trucks and things like that too. But to your point, that I got to meet a lot of cool people that were local, which I think is supporting local businesses is key. You
Mhm.
as I are both from Rochester, New York. We actually had a lot of people from Rochester, New York that showed up
Mhm.
at this event. But at the same time, I got clients from it too. Even being a realtor, there were people that were thinking about making some changes. Obviously, they're not selling tomorrow, right? So it wasn't like that kind of business where it's like, hey, by the way, I want to use you tomorrow. But it was building those relationships that create new business over the years. So I'm going to
Mhm.
strongly urge you guys that, it's only $10 to get in the door. If you do want to be one of the business owners, there's a whole bunch of different options for the tables. But just come
Yeah,
out with us and see what it is. It's worthwhile at least to be at least participating. So thank you guys, and I
absolutely.
hope to see you there.
Take care.